This is the site deployed on Netlify that I am having issues with. As you can see, I can access the contact route from the internal links. But now if I try to go to contact route directly, I get a page not found error. To fix this, we need to create a file named _redirects inside public folder. So, create _redirects file inside public folder, then open it. Now, add this line of code in the _redirects file. /*index.html, space 200. Then save it, add the file, commit, and push. Now let's check the build status in Netlify. The build command is triggered. Now that build is completed, let's check the routes on the site. And it is fixed. We are done, and that's it.